Welcome back, my dear students. Very good morning. Happy day. I hope that you have watched my previous session. It was revision class, advanced revision class 1. My dear students, if you have learned the contents in the first stage, then you can understand this second advanced revision class. Okay, I am receiving so many compliments and praises from all over Karnataka. I am very glad to say that many students are following my videos. Each and every corner of Karnataka itself. Tumkur, Nelmangla, this Chikbalapura, and this Bijapur, Raichur, everywhere. So many students are watching. If you don't watch, if you don't learn all videos, you never can cross 50 marks. It is the challenge. Careful. Now onwards, you must be careful. Today, I am going to give the second session. I am going to explain twisted questions under. Today I am going to discuss grammar topic. Question number 25, poem lines. Question number 26, verbs. These two topics will be discussed today, and you will see. In the previous session, you could come to know that how twisted questions are appearing in second PUC, poem and lesson. To dear monopolized business, how it has become so tricky question indeed, twisted question indeed. It is why, my dear students, be careful. Understand each and every second's teaching. If you skip, if you jump to next stage, you cannot understand the whole thing. Today, I am going to discuss question number 25, question number 26. Before this one, I will tell you some hints. How to write the exam, how to take a test. Test means not writing, taking the test. Writing the exam, doing the exam. This is the law of English. I am writing a test. No, it is a bluff. It is wrong English. I am taking a test. I will give you a test. You will take a test. Not writing. Write the test. It is not called English at all. It is called a bluff, blunder, great error. You have to take a test. You have to do the exam. You have to write the exam. Whether the exam is 10 marks, write exam. Whether 1000 marks test, you take a test. This is the law of English. How many of you know this law? It is why when we are learning English, we must learn at the best level itself. Today, I am going to explain how to take a test, how to write answers in a test, how to write answers in the exam. It will be explained by me. Now, first of all, you must know some different things. Now, I am going to explain some different things. Okay. Now, this is called Narayan Dev College, Kolar, 2nd PUC English Notes. All of you must have this book. This one contains summary of each and every chapter, 1 mark question and answers, and 4 mark question and answers, grammar contents, 10 annual exam papers 2015 to 2018. Everything is mentioned. See, every topic is there. Summary will be given points wise. See, so points wise summary is given and 1 mark questions. My dear students, if those students who don't have these notes, full notes, you cannot learn anything. You cannot write English answers in your own words. What are words required, you never can catch. It is why if you have this book already, you don't purchase this one. If you don't have, call me on my number and I will tell you how to take, when to take. Wherever you are, you must have this book. If you have already got from your seniors, it is not a matter because same book will be given by me also, now also. Now, after taking this book, how to write any exam, how to take a test. First of all, Today 10th. Second test is going on. Already second test question paper, Kannada and English question papers are sent to your SIM. This normal message itself, not through WhatsApp. We have to send the written answers to me through WhatsApp before 14th October 2020. It is compulsory. You must follow the rules. Otherwise, we cannot judge how much you are learning, how well you are learning. Next one. In that test, 1 mark questions will be there. Write 1 mark question 1, right answer, leave 1 line. Second question, second answer, leave 1 line. In this order, answers should be written. Next, 4 mark question answer. Write 4 mark question, right answer, leave 1 line. Next 4 mark question answers and right answer. In this order, 4 mark and 6 marks. Next, come to the passage. Don't write the passage. You write question number, whatever the question number is given in your test question paper. Write that question, write the question number, later write the passage questions. Question number A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You write question, right answer, leave 1 line, write question, right answer. It is the method in the test. Next, poem lines. Don't write poem lines. Again, write question, right answer. Fill in the blanks verbs. You have to write the question, write separately answer. Next, note making. Don't draw the boxes. You write only answers, please. Don't draw the boxes. That boxes should not be written. That should not be drawn. It is not required at all. It is an offense in it. It looks awkward. We cannot search for your answers. Answers are short, but questions are lengthy. We cannot catch or find your answers. It is why note making. You write only answers. That is enough indeed. Don't write the passage. When these underlined words, you must write the passage, write question, right answer. Jumbled segments, write question, right answer. Letter writing, you must write the question, right answer. Speech writing, write the question, write the answer. This is the law of taking a test, not writing a test, taking a test. In the exam, just nothing to do. Question number, answer, that's all. You don't need to write any question. Once you come to the classroom, what should be written in full? Complete the dialogue, you must write in full only. 8 lines should be written, you write the answer, underline the answer. If you cannot understand this one, play this video often and often, or call me, or message me. I am available anytime. Get your doubts cleared by me anytime. Next, writing the exam. How to update classwork by you, not by me, by you. Okay, now take this notes. Okay, take this one. After taking this one, you have to write the summary as it is. And you should not write 1 mark question and answers. You never should write 1 mark question and answer. What question should be written, what answer should be written, I will inform you. This is called 1 mark question and answers. You should not write this question 1 mark. If you have already written, please keep it up. Very good job indeed. Next, 4 mark question answers. 4 mark question should be written. 4 mark answer should be written. If you have this much space after next page, you should not use this space or place this page for writing second question. Go to next page, write the question, leave 1 line, write answer. After completing this answer, this chapter is over. After Romeo and Juliet is over, leave 3 pages blank, 3 single sheets, 1, 2, 3. Leave 3 pages and go to 2D. Again write the summary. You have to write the summary as it is, which is in the notes itself. It is the law of English. If you don't follow my words, marks will never follow you. Yeah. 2D. Write all points. Remember, 45 points are available, 43, 44, 43 points are available. 1 mark question and answers should not be written. Again 4 questions are there. Write the question, write the answer, leave that blank page, go to next page, write second question, write answer, leave that page, go to next page. 1 question, 2 pages, finish. And one more important information to you, that you must use 200 pages long ruled notebook. It is the law. Whatever I say, that is the law. You cannot break this law. If you want marks, follow my method, follow my rules and regulations and the law. This is the law. That's all. Okay, in this order. Already I have sent you 3 chapters notes, and if you want more means, you must ask me. It is not my job to take care of you all the things. Why can't you call me and get the information? It is your duty. Moreover, some many students have not sent the answers regarding the first test. First test answers should reach us. Second test answers should reach us via WhatsApp. And 2 test answers should reach me via WhatsApp before 14 October 2020. This is the rule. Yes. 2 test answers written by you must reach me before 14 October 2020. Moreover, most probably you may be watching this video on the same day, last day for sending the answers by you to me. It is why be careful. Yes, understood? If you have not understood anything, please ask me or call me, get the information from me. Okay, this is the law. This is how to update your classwork. This is over. How to write the answers in the exam. It is over. How to take a test. It is over. And moreover, one more information. You must take the test in the 200 pages long ruled notebook. If you have taken the test in pages, means leave it. Now onwards, because we don't know when we are going to be present in the same room, same classroom, nobody knows. It is why you have to take so many tests in day. It is why take the test in the 200 pages long ruled notebook. If you get any doubt, you consult me. This how to update everything is explained. Today I am going to explain the grammar contents. Advanced revision class grammar contents. In the previous one I have explained how these twisted questions will appear under this prose and poetry. Only 3 chapters were selected. I will select some more chapters. And one more thing, question number 25, poem lines will be discussed, and question number 26, verbs will be discussed. We are shooting this video on 10th October 2020. You will watch this one on 14th. Today I will show you how questions are asked. Powerful is questions. Powerful is question. Yeah, it is why, my dear students, follow this one, follow my words, update your notes, take the test, write the exam, and understand this concept. Then only you can understand next forthcoming all sessions. I will proceed with the question number 25 first, next question number 26. This 2 or 3 examples. Today you are going to learn so many techniques. And question number 25, question number 26. It is like I have mentioned here that advanced revision class 2 grammar category. I will start by explaining these poem lines now. Yeah. Let us see how much you are ready to face tough questions under grammar. Yeah. First of all, it is question number 25. Read the following lines and answer the questions. For how many marks? 3 marks. You may feel, what is this 3 marks? It is like taking juice. Never. You will come to know how to utilize the available source, how to improve our brain, what are the tricky situations in this second year. I am going to explain in some different ways today. Please watch the video, catch the teaching, and do better. First of all, I am going to read the lines now. Read the following lines. Lines, which lines? Poem lines. 4 lines may be given or 6 lines may be given. This topic explanation is over. It is already over nearly 2 months ago, and it is why first you must understand that videos teaching. Later only you can understand this on advanced level. Otherwise, not possible. Now, following lines and answer the questions. 3 questions are fixed, but you may be wondering why there are 7 questions. Here only 3 lines. Why there are 9 questions? Why there is no question at all in the under the third question? Now, I will read out. Lord, I am so tired. Tired I entered this world. Far have I wandered since is steep, not sleep. You may be doing only sleep. It is why steep indeed. Steep. Lord, I do not want to go into their school. There is no meaning to particular word, particular line, particular question. What is your duty? Read these lines. Understand the lines. Read the questions. You must find out where is the related answer to the related question. Once more, please catch. Because we don't have much time indeed. I have started giving revision. I will give 2 more revision classes. Later I will start teaching this Sunday morning lesson. Lord, I am so tired. Tired, I entered this world. For have I wandered since is steep? Lord, I do not want to go into their school. Normally, you can find only 3 questions in your question paper or in your notes. That is limited, but your intelligence is not limited. No, you have unlimited intelligence, but you are not utilizing. You must utilize your brain, mind, everything. Yes. Who is the speaker in this line? 10. First question. Normally, who is saying these lines means the speaker or the poet. That is over. That is 18th century question. But this question is in the 21st century question. Do you think that I have mentioned the advanced revision without any reason? Silly? Yeah. If you don't know these all things means, how can you expect to score 80 and above? If you don't work hard, how can you score better? It is why you must know the twisted questions. Who is the speaker in this one? That means who? Answer is student. Why I do not want to go into their school? Can an employee say I don't like to go to school? No, he will say I don't like to work in that school. Any teacher says, any employee says, no, I don't like to work, that is different, but I do not want to go into their school. It is called using our talent. It is called wit. You must set maximum questions to one particular line. My dear students, there are so many things you have to learn. Don't feel satisfied. You have learned all the things. It is sufficient to score 90 plus means later you will be dejected totally in your life. This is my this is a suggestion today itself. Don't feel everything is new now onwards. Advanced level. This is only 3rd stage. There are 5 more stages. Same thing, 2 more stages. It is why nothing is limited. Everything is unlimited in 2nd PUC English. First, the speaker prays to who? You may answer this one. Who is the Lord? Who is the speaker means the student or a student. No problem. The speaker prays to the Lord. Don't write God. If you write God, your answer is wrong. You must say the Lord. The road to school is. Where is the word? Where is this word road in the line? There is no word. You will be searching for this one. Where? No. I entered this word for how I wandered since is steep. See, For have I wandered? Wandered means what? Walked. Since, because it is steep. What is steep? Road is steep. It is why the road to school is steep. This is the answer. Where is our English? Where is real English? Where is the match between ours and the real English? My dear students, you must understand these all things at this level, from this level. Otherwise, nobody can help you. Please follow my words, take my words seriously, otherwise you will regret later so much. Law of English. Next, what does the speaker not want to do? Yes, what? I do not want to go into their school. You write same answer. The speaker does not want to go to their school. The speaker does not. You should not write do not. Why? That is here. The speaker does not want to go to their school, does not want to go into their school. Both are okay. Why? Want to do? No problem. Go to their school, to go into their school. Both are okay. Next, that's okay. Pa, you can answer. Okay. How long did the speaker wander? How long did the speaker wander? You see? Wander or wander. Wander means what? Walking aimlessly. Wander means what? Circle. Now tell me. Note down these all 7 questions. Try to answer without the support. What can you write now? How long or how far did the speaker wander? Means see. Lord, I am so tired I entered this world. Far have I wandered since history. Answer is far. Is there any measurement? 2 kilometers, 1 kilometer, 100 meters. Where is the distance? Distance is not mentioned. This is called what? Far. You must write what? Far only. He wandered far. That is enough. Far means so long indeed. Yes. Where is the clue? Yeah. Next. How does the speaker feel in the first line? Lord, I am so tired. He feels so tired. If you write so tired or the speaker is so tired, he is so tired, no problem. We want these 2 words in your answer. This is the tricky system. Next. How did the speaker enter the world? How does the speaker feel in the first line? Say, how did the speaker enter the world? You see, tired. Tired, I entered this world. He entered this world tired of me. Now onwards, whenever you find 4 lines or 6 lines, whenever you will get 3 questions only, you try to answer those 3 questions. Okay, try to write so many new questions. Otherwise, you never can learn English. Your knowledge will be limited. It is why you must set as many as questions. Can you find these all questions anywhere? Nowhere. We must prepare ourselves. We must gain knowledge. We must enter the enhanced level. Then we can score better indeed. It is why, my dear students, slowly write these lines, write these questions, write the answers, watch the video. Okay, then you can score better indeed. Otherwise, you forget the score. Next, second example. That murmur soon replies, God doth not need either man's work or his own gifts, who best bear his mild yoke, they serve him best. If you try to find out the meaning, you never can catch the theme of the lines. It is highly difficult. It is why we must practice as many as questions. These twisted questions, these questions cannot be found anywhere. I have tried and I have written. You too must try. If any lines are found, you must try to set the first questions. Later you try to answer. Consult me whether that question, that answer is correct or not. If you don't learn English in this order, it is highly difficult indeed. Why I have been saying so many times means you must be alert on words. You must come to enhance the level. Okay. Now, first question. Once more I will read. That murmur soon replies, God doth not need either man's work or his own gifts. Who best bear his mild yoke, they serve him best. 3 lines, but questions are 9. Now see, what or who replies soon? Do you think that the speaker, their speaker is okay? Why? Human. I do not want to go into their school. Human, student, the student, school student. You can write the answer. A student, the student, school student. No problem. But you never can say why. Why? There is no gender mentioned in that line. Yeah. Now, who replies who or what replies soon means that murmur. That is enough. Murmur means problem. That because we don't have any particular name. That murmur soon replies. Something is murmuring, it replies. We must understand this kind of different questions, different attitude. Murmurs. Next, what does that murmur? What does that murmur means? Replies murmur. Soon replies. God doth not need either man's work or his own gifts. It is murmur. What does that murmur means? It is saying this one. Next. How does that murmur? How does, not what. Here who, later what, later how. How does that murmur means? See, that murmur soon. Soon. Answer is soon. What does doth mean? See, this question is linked to Romeo and Juliet. Oh, she doth teaches the torches. That is, see, doth means what? What does doth means? Means answer is does. See, answer is here itself. Doth means does. Previously, doth, there are so many words. So, does is the answer. Next one. Who doth not need them? Question. Who doth need not them? Who? See, that God. Who doth not need them? Answer is God. See, lines are 3, questions are 9. Now tell me, who are more? Letters are limited, sounds are unlimited in English. Here also. Lines are limited, questions are unlimited. This is the law of English. Next, what does God not need? See, that murmur soon replies, God doth not need either man's work or his own gifts. Same answer. What does God not need means? This is the answer. God doth not need either man's work or his own gifts. This is the answer. You must write full answer itself. Next. Bear his mild yoke. His refers to who? Actually, this one appeared in 2017, March 2017 question paper. I feel that here his own gifts would best bear his. Here H capital letter should have been there, but according to the board, we never can change. Here what happens? Bear his mild yoke, his refers to. Here H capital letter means here answer is God. But they have given only small letter, it is why we cannot claim that God. But according to board, here H is a small letter they have given, we have to write God only. Actually this letter should have been in the capital letter, but they might have missed. No problem, we have to respect the board. Now, bear his means anywhere in the middle, H capital is there, it is as God only. There is no question of taking This humans as he. H capital small letter means humans. H capital in the middle of the line means it refers to God only. God never should carry H small letter. He should have H small letter should not be used and capital letter should be used. This is the law of English, pure English. I cannot talk about Butler English. I can speak about better English. Yeah. Where is mild yoke, they serve him best. Okay. Where is mild yoke, here capital letter, then only this refers to God. Next one. How do they serve God? It is again some twisted question. How? Listen. How do they serve God? Means, where is mild yoke? This answer is not satisfying. This is not the best answer. Yes. How? Where is mild yoke? Some modification, some changes are required. Some slight changes. What you have to do? One preposition should be added. Answer is by. Where is there not? Bearing. One is addition, one is modification. Addition and modification must take place. So, by bearing his mild yoke. By bearing his mild yoke is the answer. Now tell me, where is real English? Where is our English? Our English is way top, on the top of the mountain. The real English is somewhere according to you. It is reversed according to me. My dear students, care for English, English will care for you. If you ignore, it will ignore you forever. Carefully. Next one. How do they serve God? Means by bearing his mild yoke. Whatever the lines are there in the question, that is the law. That is the approved one by the board. I don't have any right to change any question, any answer, no rights at all, including myself, including yourself. Okay. This is the theme of understanding question number 25. Next. Here one example is given. Catch this one. I will read out. Write this one, write answers, send the answers. Yeah, send it to me. Now, 4 lines are given, 3 questions are given. I will read out. O blithe, newcomer, I have heard. I hear thee and rejoice. O cuckoo, shall I call thee bird, or but a wandering voice? That's all. Question. How is the newcomer addressed by the speaker? First question. How does the speaker feel on hearing the song? What is the other phrase the speaker uses to refer to the bird? How many questions are here? 3. How many lines are here? 4. You must set, including this one, minimum 10 questions. You first write the questions. Later you try to answer. Later you check it. No problem. First you must write these poem lines and leave some lines. Write these 3 questions. Set questions. Maximum. Take those 2 as examples taught by me and set new questions to these particular 4 lines. 3 questions are given. You try to add 7 more questions. Okay. This is the theme of this question number 25. I have explained. I hope that you have understood. You must, whenever there is question number 25, take that example. Yes, use it. Try to set so many questions. How much questions you are going to write or set? You are the genius forever. You can analyze totally anything. If you can adopt this system, your knowledge will improve. Then you can judge everything. How to tackle. How to set question means how to tackle the problem itself. Please, my dear students, follow my words. I will go ahead with this one. Question number 26. Fill in the blanks with the right form of the verbs. So given in brackets. It is for 3 marks, but everything is different. I won't say difficult, different. Now I am going to explain question number 26. Okay, I am going to teach the concept number 2 under revision 2. Yeah, I hope that you could come to know so many things. And question number 25, poem lines, not so easy. Yeah. Every letter and word should be counted, otherwise poem. Now I am going to discuss question number 26. A question, complete. Complete the following by filling in the using the right form of the verb given in brackets. It is for 3 marks. Okay, all of you should have watched my previous this teaching session. Already this is taught 2 months ago. 25, 26, 27, 27 unreported speech. Okay, 28 dialogue, 31 note making. 29, 30, no linkers, expression later, 31 is over, 32 is over, 33, 34, 35. 35 is not your friend, but you have the ability to solve that question. Today, I am going to select these 6 examples. Very simple to you. Okay, let us see. Okay. Now, the criminal's case dash trial in the kingdom. Okay. The criminal's case dash not tried in the kingdom. The criminal's case dash can try in the kingdom. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I will say rule number 1. First note. What is this? What is this? What is this? Case. It is called what? Singular noun. What is this? V1. What is this? Singular noun. What is this? V1 and negative. Again, singular noun can plus trial. 1. Next one. How many verbs are here? 1. How many words are here? 2. How many words are here? 2. How many answer words should be here? 1 means 2, 2 means 3. This is the law. One number must increase. There must be growth of one number. Now, here in the bracket 1 word, answer should be 2 words. Here 2 words, answer must contain 3 words. Here 2 words, answer must contain 3 words. Note down, singular, singular, singular. V1, not V1, can V1. Okay. Now, what is this case? Case is singular or plural, that is in singular form. We must write answers in the past tense, compulsory. It is by was. Answer, was. 1 is over. How many words are required? 2 words. What is required? B form is required. What are called B form? Am, is, are, was, were. But what are required under this question number 26? Was and were. Was for singular, were for plural. Okay, was. This is important. Word is try, T-R-Y. If you write, tried, what an intelligent student, appa. T-R-Y-E-D. Whatever the word is there, you add D or E-D. Appa, beautiful formula. You have discovered or invented an excellent form. Add D or ED. Later, marks under yourself will become DD. No, D means disappear. Marks will never appear. Marks will disappear forever. See, word. Y plus D will never take place. It is why answer is T-R-I-D. T-R-I-E-D. Was. T-R-I-E-D. Tried is the answer. This is the law of English. If you write simply T-R-I-E-D, T-R-I-E-D, next D-D. D-D means disappear. My dear students, this is called real English. What mistakes you are going to commit in advance, I am saying. Your mistakes are corrected by me through this online class. then it is your duty to learn this concept well. Next up. Was tried. You write only was tried. Okay. The criminal's case dash not tried. How many words are there? 2. How many answer words should be there? 3. How many words are here? 1. Answer words 2. It is over. Next one. Positive or negative one? Positive. Positive or negative one? Negative. Positive or negative? Positive. Now see, for this concept number 2, it is called what? Case means singular. So, was first. Not should be written. Was not tried means it is the answer tried. Was not tried. Only tried was tried. If not tried was not tried, it is the law of English. Yes. 1, 2, 2, 3. Answer is in the past tense itself. Next question. See, the criminal's case can try. You may say can tried. What is there? It is changed into this past tense. Correct? Or was can tried. Or can was tried. Abba, what a beautiful answer. See, can tried or was cannot tried. Can was tried. Abba, you have tried for so many with so many efforts. It is not the way of learning English. Now see. First of all, we form verb must be there. Past tense must be there. It is why can must become could. Next was no. Never, ever, never. Why? Already this one has appeared. It is why we must use be. Could be tried. T-R-I-E-D. It is the answer. It is called real advanced revision. Now tell me, if I don't explain this all with different examples, suddenly this question appears, what answer are you going to write? If you don't learn these all different difficult questions, how can you score better marks? Yes. Now onwards, care for videos, care for teaching, care for marks. Then you can score marks very well. Yes. Once more, can must become could. B word was not here. Why? Here already one helping verb is here. V1 must become V3, okay, but it is called V form. Was or were is not required. What is the first law? Use was or were, that's all. But here what happens? Two words are here. It is why it is called advanced level. It is not LKG. It is a standard question, standard number 12. Okay, could be tried. Okay, play this video once more, understand this concept. Later, I will switch over to that side. One of the ministers dash called in the kingdom. Very good. Already you know the answer. Very good. Correct? What is answer? What is this? Ministers. It is by answer is were C-A-L-L-E-D called. Correct? Very good. Were called. Correct? Why? Ministers is in plural form and the call is there. Very simple. Wow. What a brilliant student. Do you think that English is available in a ready-made food? We must work hard. This is not the point here. Point is this one. This is the Lord now. This is not. This is not the subject. This is the subject. Now take this one. One means how many? Ministers. No, one of the ministers. There may be thousands of ministers, but only one minister was called. One of the ministers was called, not were called. It is called advanced level. English now, you must experience. Was called is correct, not were called. Now tell me, if this question appears, what answer are you going to write? It is why be obedient, have patience, watch the video, learn this one. Later you can understand, you can tackle any kind of question. Next, here. One of the students dash informed to come. Now you could come to know. One of the students. How many students? One among the students. One means plural. It is why you must read the words carefully. Read the questions very carefully. If you observe only ministers, you never can score better. Later you will repent, not regretting. You will repent. You are losing silly marks, silly with silly reasons. Okay. Now, one of the students dash informed. Now you can answer. What is this? Was informed. Yeah. See, was by one is the past students. One of the students. Please give me one of your books means how many books are you going to give me? Are you going to give me all books or one book? It is way. It looks like a plural, but it is never in plural form. This is the past of the ministers. It is why, my dear students, this English cannot be wasted. I am giving you the highest level revision. Catch the teaching, catch the marks. Next, it is why, my dear students, read the textbook very well. First law is read the textbook. Find out all kind of grammar contents. And I hope that you might have understood these all concepts very well. And whenever there is a question, you try to change into different method questions, different mode in it. Then you can learn English very well. Thank you so much. I hope that you have enjoyed this session. I hope that you have understood. You have come to enhance at this higher level. You will come to the highest level within a short period. This is my challenge. But if you have understood, if you are following my words, doing all the things. Okay, my dear students, anyhow, I might have completed the test. Now time is nearly 11:30 a.m., 10th day of October 2020. So 14th, you are going to watch this video on 14th Wednesday, next Wednesday itself, and send the test answers to me. Two test answers should reach me via WhatsApp. Otherwise, I won't agree. I won't give any excuse. You don't give any excuse for evading answering the test. Okay, Napa? Okay, thank you so much. If any doubt arises, consult me. Okay, understand and read well and watch the videos and become this best students in it. Okay, good luck. God bless you. Bye bye.